Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 9 divided 1 by 7 times 7. So in this video, what people do, they cancel out 1 times 7 as 7 and then 9 divided by 7 by 1 is they take a wrong approach by solving it from cancelling the terms. But then what is left? 9 divided by 1, which is 9, which is the wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right. When an expression like this, where multiple operations are given, division, then fraction, then multiplication, then always follow order of operation, which is also known as Bodmer's rule. As per this rule, first solve the bracket if given, then order of, then division, multiplication, both have same priority, similarly addition and subtraction. But we have to always solve it from left to right. So it's 9 divided by 1 by 7. There are two different things. This is 9 by 7, but in this case, it's 9 multiplied 7 by 1, that is 63. So 9 divided 9 multiplied 7 by 1 times 7. So it's 63 times 7, that is 7 times 3 is 21, 7 times 6 is 42 plus 2, it's 43. So it's 431, not 9. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next